Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of the Design Bundles Plus products. So this is a gift card holder with a Star of David cutout. It's great for Hanukkah, weddings, bar or bat mitzvahs. I'm going to put a link in the description where you can buy this from Design Bundles for you, and it's really easy to assemble. You just cut out your two pieces on your cutting machine, and then you're going to want to fold the larger piece along the score lines to form your gift card holder shape. And then you're going to glue along these two side tabs. And then bring that up. Oops, I got a little extra glue. I'm just going to wipe that off. So you just hold that down until the glue sets. And then you're just going to glue on the back of the piece with the cutout. And then you're going to place that on top of the gift card holder, aligning it with that same cutout shape. And if you get a little bit messy with the glue, you just wipe that off. Sometimes when you're aligning it, some of the glue will get on the other parts, but that's okay. You just want to make sure you're using a glue that dries clear, and wipe that up before it dries as well to get any excess off as much as you can. And that's it. Once your glue is dry, you can then slip a gift card into the slot and you're good to go. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.